Welcome guys. So welcome to my Leetcode section, and this is 326 called the power of 3, and basically somebody give you a function, you want to write a function to determine its power of 3. Okay, so I use the recursion. So basically if n is less than 0, I just return false, and if n is larger than not equal to 1, then I just return and I check if n is divisible by 3. If it's not divisible by 3, then it must not be the power of 3. If it has, then I need to divide n, just n divided by 3 as n. So while n is not, so suppose n is 1, then I return true. So just a simple for loop that you can check, and the result is it's very faster. And although the method you use, the memory used is somewhat large, but I think this problem is very easy. And another problem I want to discuss here is called the power of 4. Basically, I write a lot, but after that, I figure out that first we just change into the change into the binary representation, and if it's power of 4, then it must be 1 or 100 or 10000 or 1000000. Okay, so only possible case is that you just count how many 0. Then since it's power of 4, so the number of 0 must be even. Okay, and also the power, the first one must be 1. The first one, so only one, and the rest are 0. So for example, if 100, then it's 4. If 10000, which corresponds to 16, and the results looks still okay, but not very fast. Oh, you see, it's very fast, so really good, right? Okay, so this is power of 3 and power of 4, and I think power of 2 is very simple. That you just basically change one number, then you can reproduce the power of 2. You can reproduce the power of 2. Okay, so this is my video, and I will see you guys in the next video.